whispers of a dream taking flight. Gentle hands with care they weave, stories in blooms we all believe. Colors dance a tender art, luxury blooms straight from the heart. Bouquet bliss, a fragrant song where elegance and calm belong. Every stem and every leaf crafts a world beyond belief. Silk and velvet in the air, nature's charm beyond compare. Soft embrace of petals bright, in this garden pure delight. Bouquet bliss, a fragrant song where elegance and calm belong. Every stem and every leaf crafts a world beyond belief. In every bloom a story told of grace and beauty, rich and bold. A symphony in soft refrain, luxury flows like gentle rain. Bouquet bliss, forever true, a floral dream coming through. Calm and pure, a tender kiss, wrapped in endless bouquet bliss.
Gentle petals touch the air, softly dancing everywhere. In the quiet dawn's embrace, every flower finds its place. Colors blend like whispered dreams, flowing in